Hi all, thanks for liking and following my videos till now. I really appreciate your support for my channel. Today, I'm back again with yet another important episode from my travel diaries. Meghalaya, a beautiful state in northeast. The must places to visit in Meghalaya. In Shillong called as Scotland of the East, a charming hill station, colorful handicrafts, the Khasi culture, a place where every corner is an adventure. In this video, I'll tell all places that I have visited personally and which you all should never miss if you are planning a trip to Shillong. So why to wait? Here is my first destination, the Shillong Peak, the highest point in Shillong where you touch the sky and embrace the earth. It's hardly 14 kilometers and 40 minutes drive from the center of the city. It's under the Air Force, but it's open for all. Shillong Peak offers observational tower for breathtaking photographs and wonderful memories. The market around this place offers a famous red tea. My second spot, Elephant Waterfall. A 12 kilometer and 35 minutes drive from the center of the city. Elephant Waterfall is a three-tiered waterfall which get its name from some elephant-shaped rock which was present in the past. The walking trails travel through lush greenery and rocks. Here the beauty speaks for itself. The entry fee is about 100 rupees and also it offers breathtaking photo opportunities. There are refreshment stalls nearby where you can also have a glimpse of local culture and taste. And my third spot, my favorite one, the Lightlum Canyon, the hidden gem of the northeastern state of Meghalaya. Lightlum means end of hills, offers extraordinary views of deep gorges, rolling hills, and lush green valleys. A popular trekking destination which is about 1 hour 30 minutes drive from the center of the city. This place is really a paradise and treat for eyes where the time takes a breath. Come here and enjoy the nature with you and with your loved ones. And this place is worth visiting and free of cost. And my number 4 is the Cathedral Mary Help of Christians Church and has a rich history dating back to the late 19th century. It's a symbol of Catholic community in Meghalaya. This cathedral was built during British period when Shillong was the capital of the undivided Assam. A unique example of neo-Gothic architecture and approx 3 kilometers and 10 minutes drive from the center of the city. And finally, I noticed a startup exhibition. Even the people over here are welcoming the new craze, the startup craze. Meghalaya, the Abode of Clouds, an experience worth remembering and living. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.